Okay, so I'm going to play the Paint and Cubes demo by Leap Motion. It's a packaged Unity project. And the video that you can see on the left is a through the lens camera that I've got mounted on the inside of here. So when it starts, you can see a few cubes. They're not on my screen, as you can see they are in 3D. Yeah. This is through the lens. And my hands are being tracked, and that shouldn't come up, sorry. Oh, click that. So my hands are being tracked in 3D, and so is my body, my head, through the hand and 6 degrees of freedom tracker. So the paint part of this demo gives me a nice palette on my left hand, like that. See, that's fully tracked as well. And I just learned that you can actually throw these into the environment. So let's put our paint there. Actually, do the sitting down, so I'm going to put it here. And we've got brush size here, and I had no idea you could mix colours. That's amazing. Guess we'll have some blue, some red, and then our finger making a pinch gesture. I'm clearly not a visual artist, but that is tracked in 3D. You can come up above it and around it and see that, and choose a different colour. Maybe mix it with a bit of blue. And write hello. I'm going to go behind it and put some confetti down. As my cable can reach. So it's a little bit dark in here, so the tracker's having some issues. You can see it just jumped there, so now my painting is over here, but generally it's quite stable. We can pick up that and put it back into our hand. We get a slightly simpler display here. And if we want to delete, we can click the delete button and erase our painting. And then back in there. Bye!